Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Wednesday, January 15th. It is great to see you. All is well here in cold Chicago, and it's been busy. Yesterday I had a very busy day speaking and revamping my website, thegregorbaird.com, so go check it out. I did a new intro, which I'm going to show at the very end of this video, so you can check it out. But I've been doing a lot of updates. I had a bunch of pictures on the front page of my website. They're gone. A bunch of other things I'm doing for my agency, even 2 agencies, and a website called Speaker Hub Pro, which is awesome, and I'm paying mucho dinero for. I'm just thrilled about that, but hopefully it'll come to fruition and it'll be a good thing. So I'm off to do laundry in a minute because I got a window of opportunity to do that. A lot of people have been asking me, what are you going to do if TikTok is banned? So I'm going to tell you right now, I am on Instagram, YouTube. I do a lot of videos, so I'll probably be doing more weekly, several weekly, how can I say, posting 3 times a week or so on YouTube. And I'll do some Instagram stuff too if TikTok goes. Some people are going to a website that is actually owned from China called Red Note, and there's another one called Lemonade or something that some people are flocking to. I am holding off on that right now because my feeling is, since TikTok is owned by people in China or by China, so is Red Note, and I think it'll be just a time when that's gone as well. So I'm hoping there'll be an extension. I have people I know that I've watched on TikTok, and I enjoy. They're positive, they're good, and a lot of them are making money. That's part of their income. That's their source. So I'm hoping something will be done, but I don't know. I really don't know. So check me out on those. So it's Gregor Speaks on YouTube. I had to think about this, and Instagram, and I'm also on Facebook, which I say is all for the old people, which I disagree, and that's Gregor Baird. So there you go. But I'm not going to those websites, those apps yet, the new ones everybody's going to. I'm going to kind of hold off on that for a while. So a couple of things. I have been shopping around for a new chair. My dad passed away, kind of makes sense with all of this. My dad passed away in 2003, and I had a little money with something that he left me, and he liked to sit and read and watch TV. So I have a chair that's, I'm going to show you right now. Here's a picture of the chair, 20 years old, that I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to try to sell maybe for like 20 bucks or just end up giving it away. It's a great chair, but it's just time for it to go. It's old. And I bought this chair on Amazon. I shopped around and went to Bob's Furniture, all other places. So I'm not kind of a sight unseen kind of guy, but I'm going to see what happens. My Amazon's going on. Amazon off. Yeah, you gotta love that. So anyway, that's going to show up in about another week and a half. I'll put it together. I'll see how I like it. If I don't, I can send it back. So new chair's on the way. It's blue, beautiful. But yeah, so that's what's happening in my crazy world, but just a lot of updates I'm really excited about for websites and promos and marketing and all that kind of stuff. So it's a good day ahead. It's a good day to be Gregor Baird. Don't forget, all these people have suffered from natural disasters. The people in North Carolina that are living in tents and structures and shelters. And it's winter there, everybody. So we got to remember them while we're also remembering the people that are suffered by the fires in Southern California. It's very important that we take care of one another. We're here, we're human, we got to look out for one another. Do what you can. It feels good when you can reach out and help others. And I do that in my own way. Do it in your own way. Make the world a whole lot better. So that's my soapbox moment. I will see you soon. Subscribe, like, and share. You know I love you. Add me on the other platforms. And I'll talk to you on Friday. I promise. Take care. Enjoy this video of my promo that's on my website, by the way. Thanks.
What is your legacy going to be, and what kind of community do you want to live in? Because that's really important. And there's been a lot of things in this particular community and many others of bigotry or not liking somebody because they're gay or they look different or what they believe in. And for me, if you can't celebrate your life and who you are and be a friend to somebody, you're living in an unhealthy community. And you need to celebrate everybody and what they bring to the table.